Greg here, and I heading to the airport so early. It's up at like 4:20.
There's that AirBus. It's freaking huge. It's the biggest jet there is. I was wondering if I could see it. I hope this could come out, but that thing is friggin' a monster. Wow. Holy, that is a big plane. It's got 2 decks. I'm gonna get yelled at here, but look at that thing in comparison. Oh my gosh, that is enormous. It brought over like a sub. I brought like some sub over to get tweaked on. Wow, that thing is a monster. Wow. And when you wake up at 4 in the morning to take someone to the airport, this is the reward you get. Oh, yeah. Sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit. I know, I could have ordered off the dollar menu, but nothing compares to this thing. Look at that. That's right.